Did you know that modern portfolio theory, a cornerstone of investment management, was introduced by Harry Markowitz in 1952? This groundbreaking work revolutionized how we think about investment risk and return. In today's complex financial markets, organizations and individuals lacking expertise in investment analysis and portfolio management often struggle to achieve optimal investment returns while managing risk effectively. They may face challenges in evaluating various investment opportunities, struggle with constructing well-diversified portfolios, or fail to implement effective risk management strategies. This can result in suboptimal investment performance, excessive risk exposure, and missed opportunities for wealth creation. At the individual level, finance professionals may find it difficult to apply advanced analytical techniques to investment decisions, struggle with balancing risk and return across different asset classes, or face challenges in adapting portfolio strategies to changing market conditions. This can lead to poor investment choices, inadequate risk management, and failure to meet client investment objectives. This comprehensive course comes to the rescue by providing in-depth knowledge and practical skills in investment analysis and portfolio management. It equips participants with the tools to make informed investment decisions, construct robust portfolios, and manage investment risk effectively. By taking this course, individuals will gain expertise in areas such as security analysis, asset allocation, portfolio construction, risk management, and performance evaluation. They'll learn to apply modern portfolio theory, conduct fundamental and technical analysis, use quantitative methods in investment decision-making, and implement various portfolio management strategies. The impact on organizations and individual investors can be substantial. With professionals skilled in investment analysis and portfolio management, entities can expect improved investment returns, better risk-adjusted performance, and enhanced ability to meet long-term financial objectives. This leads to increased client satisfaction, improved competitive positioning in the investment management industry, and potentially greater assets under management. At the personal level, participants will become highly valued experts in the field of investment management. They'll be able to provide sophisticated investment advice, manage complex investment portfolios, and navigate volatile market conditions effectively. This expertise can lead to significant career advancement opportunities in asset management firms, investment banks, wealth management companies, and financial advisory services. Don't let inadequate investment analysis and portfolio management skills limit your or your client's financial success. Empower yourself and your team with the knowledge and techniques to excel in the world of investments. Enroll in this investment analysis and portfolio management course today, and to take a crucial step towards mastering the art and science of successful investing.